Hi, want to know how to change wallpapers on your Realme 12x? So, as a first step, we would need to go to our home screen and here hold our finger on any empty place that you can see here. So, we would need to hold our finger until you'll get to this menu where you can see these buttons at the bottom part of your screen. So, here we would need to click on this button which is named Wallpaper. And here you'd be able to find some suggested wallpapers from Realme, and also by clicking on this button you can get to the application named Themes when you can find even more wallpapers than here. But mostly people would like to set on their wallpapers their photo from gallery. So we can find them in these two albums, which is recent or album. So if we will go to the album, here you can see albums like photos, videos, screenshots and other. Here I have made photo of this pretty flower, so I would like to set it as my wallpaper. After you have selected the photo, then we would need to click on this confirmation icon at the right upper corner. Here you would need to select how zoomed in you would like to make the wallpaper, so I'll leave it like this. And now we would need to click on this button apply to. And now this is the most important part because you would need to select where you would like to apply the wallpaper, to lock screen, home screen, or both home and lock screens. So for example, I'll choose home screen. And this is it. You can see that we have successfully changed our wallpaper to our custom photo. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.